build wealth. Even on a small income. Here's how. Let me share something powerful. Building wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how you manage what you have. Even with a small income, you can start growing your wealth today. Step 1. Change your mindset. Stop saying, wala akong pera. Start asking, paano ko mapapalago ang pera ko? Step 2. Track your spending. Alam mo ba kung saan napupunta ang sweldo mo? Yung small gastos, milk tea, online sale, grab food, yan, ang unti-unting kumakain sa ipon mo. Step 3. Build your emergency fund. Kahit 50 a day, basta tuloy-tuloy, lalaki din yan. Para kung may aberya, hindi utang ang solusyon. Step 4. Avoid bad debt. Credit card, loan, kung hindi kailangan, wag na. Interest pa lang, lugi ka na. Step 5. Invest in yourself. Learn, skills, side hustle, freelance. Kahit sa Facebook Marketplace or TikTok live selling, pera yan. And finally, stay consistent. Kahit maliit, basta tuloy-tuloy, lalago yan. Tandaan, ang yaman hindi instant. Ginagawa yan araw-araw. Kaya mo to. Simulan mo ngayon.